Do you want to get rich quickly? That's the golden question, isn't it? It's a universal desire that transcends borders and cultures. We all dream of wealth, of financial freedom, and the life of comfort and security it brings. But how many of us truly understand what it takes to turn this dream into reality? That's where we come in. We're here to dispel the fog of confusion and provide you with a clear, step-by-step guide on how to get rich quickly. Yes, you heard it right. Quickly, not instantly. Because let's face it, there are no magic beans that grow into money trees overnight. But there are proven strategies that, when implemented correctly, can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The key lies in understanding that getting rich is not just about making money. It's about cultivating the right mindset, making smart decisions, and taking calculated risks. It's about leveraging opportunities and navigating the world of finance with confidence and savvy. This video will serve as your compass, pointing you in the direction of wealth. We'll take you through the ins and outs of financial success, from the power of saving and investing to the importance of multiple income streams, education, skills, networking, negotiation, and even the role of luck. But remember, information is only as valuable as its application. So, as we share these nuggets of wisdom, we encourage you to not just listen, but to apply, to take action. Because it's the action that turns knowledge into power, dreams into reality. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of getting rich quickly? Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny and live the life you've always dreamed of? If you're ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom, make sure you subscribe. It means a lot to us. Stay tuned. You might have heard stories of people becoming millionaires overnight. Imagine waking up one day to find that your bank account has suddenly ballooned with millions. It's an alluring fantasy, isn't it? But the reality is often far from this. The notion of overnight success is a myth, a half-truth at best, often propagated by media and pop culture. Wealth, for most people, is not a windfall that lands into their lap out of nowhere. It's a culmination of hard work, smart decisions, and yes, a bit of luck. Let's unpack this a bit. Hard work is the foundation of wealth. It's about rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, and putting in the hours. Whether it's honing a skill, building a business, or climbing the corporate ladder, the path to wealth is paved with perseverance and dedication. Smart decisions play a critical role too. It's about making wise choices with your money, your time, and your resources. It's about investing in the right places, avoiding unnecessary risks, and knowing when to seize an opportunity. It's about financial literacy, understanding the power of compound interest and the magic of passive income. And then there's the element of luck. Now, luck isn't about winning a lottery or finding a treasure chest. It's about being at the right place at the right time, and being prepared to capitalize on the opportunity when it presents itself. But remember, luck favors the prepared. So while you can't control luck, you can certainly increase your chances of getting lucky by working hard and making smart decisions. So the next time you see a headline about an overnight millionaire, remember that it's probably the result of years of hard work, smart decisions, and a bit of luck. Don't be swayed by the allure of quick riches. Instead, focus on building your wealth one step at a time. Remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Have you ever thought about the power of saving and investing? These two actions, seemingly simple, hold the potential to transform your financial future. Let's dive deeper into this. Imagine you're holding a seed. You could eat it now, or you could plant it, nurture it, and watch as it grows into a tree that yields more seeds. Saving and investing are like planting that seed. Instead of using your money now, you're placing it into a fertile soil where it can multiply. Now let's talk about compound interest. Compound interest is the snowball effect of your savings and investments. It's the interest you earn on both your original money and on the interest you've already received. It's your money making more money, which then makes even more money. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Imagine you invest £1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. After 1 year, you'll have £1,050. But here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you're not just earning interest on your initial £1,000, you're also earning interest on that extra £50. As the years go by, this process repeats and accelerates, just like a snowball rolling down a hill. It's worth noting that this process takes time. Wealth accumulation through saving and investing is not a sprint but a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. But the rewards are worth the wait. You see, when you save and invest, you're not just storing money away. You're actively building your future wealth. Your money is out there in the world, working for you even while you sleep. It's like having an army of invisible workers who never rest. So what's stopping you? Start planting your seeds today. Start saving and investing. Let compound interest do its magic. It might seem slow at first, but remember, even the tallest tree started as a tiny seed. Start saving and investing today and let your money work for you. Do you rely on a single source of income? If the answer is yes, you might want to reconsider. Now, this isn't about spreading yourself too thin or trying to juggle too many balls at once. It's about diversification, a principle that's as important in finance as it is in your diet. Imagine this. You have an apple tree that provides all your fruit. 1 year, a storm hits and your tree is damaged. Suddenly, you're without any apples. That's the risk of relying on a single source of income. If that source is damaged or lost, you're left without any income at all. But what if you had an apple tree, a pear tree, and a plum tree? If a storm damages one, you still have the others to rely on. That's the idea behind multiple income streams. Each source is like a different fruit tree in your financial orchard. So what are some examples of these additional income sources? Well, there's rental income if you own property that you can lease out. There's dividends from stocks if you're invested in the market. There's income from side businesses if you have a hobby or skill you can monetize. And of course, there's income from your regular job. The key is to find a combination of income streams that works for you. It might involve a bit of trial and error, and it definitely requires some effort. But the result? A more secure and resilient financial future. This approach also allows you to take more calculated risks. If one income stream doesn't pan out, it's not the end of the world. You have others to fall back on. And who knows, one of those experiments might just turn into a gold mine. In the end, it's all about financial freedom. The more diverse your income, the less dependent you are on any single source. The less dependent you are, the more freedom you have to make choices, to take risks, to live life on your terms. Diversify your income and secure your financial future. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what we're all striving for? Freedom, security, and the ability to enjoy the fruits of our labor without worry. What are the most valuable assets you own? You might think of your car, your home, or perhaps your savings account. But let's shift our perspective a bit. The most valuable assets you truly possess are your education and skills. These are the tools that fuel your ability to earn, to create, and to innovate. Let's consider education first. The knowledge you gain from formal education, self-study, or even life experiences forms the foundation of your financial success. It's not just about having a degree or a certificate, though they can often open doors. It's about the understanding, the insights, and the perspectives you gain that allow you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Now, let's talk about skills. In today's rapidly evolving world, having a high-income skill can drastically boost your earning potential. These are abilities that are in high demand, yet in short supply. For instance, programming is a high-income skill. As our world becomes more digital, the demand for individuals who can create, troubleshoot, and innovate in the digital space continues to grow. Another high-income skill is digital marketing. With businesses increasingly moving online, the ability to effectively market products and services on the internet has become invaluable. And the beauty of these skills, they can be learned. Unlike innate talents, skills are developed through consistent practice and dedication. But remember, it's not just about acquiring these skills. It's about how you use them, how you continue to hone them, and how you adapt them to the changing landscape of the world. That's where lifelong learning comes in. As the world changes, so must your skills and knowledge. So when we talk about the fastest way to get rich, we must mention the importance of investing in your education and skills. It's not a quick fix. It's a lifelong commitment to self-improvement and growth. And while it might not lead to immediate wealth, it is a surefire way to increase your earning potential and, over time, your wealth. Invest in your education and skills and you invest in your wealth. Who are the people in your network? That's a question worth pondering. You see, the people you surround yourself with can either make or break your wealth creation journey. It's not about using people for your gain, but rather it's about creating symbiotic relationships where everyone benefits. Networking is a powerful tool in your wealth creation toolbox, and it's one that should not be overlooked. Now let's talk about what networking really means. It's not just about shaking hands and exchanging business cards. It's about forming meaningful connections, building trust, and showing genuine interest in others. It's about sharing ideas, learning from others, and helping each other grow. So how do you network effectively? First, be authentic. People can sense when you're not being genuine, and that can damage your relationships. Show genuine interest in others, listen to their stories, and engage in meaningful conversations. Second, be proactive. Don't just wait for opportunities to come to you. Seek them out. Attend events, join online communities, and participate in discussions. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll find. Third, follow up. If you've made a new connection, don't just let it fade. Send a follow-up email or message. Keep the conversation going and nurture the relationship. Now, once you've built a strong network, how do you capitalize on the opportunities that come your way? Well, it's all about being prepared. Know your strengths, know your goals, and be ready to seize opportunities when they arise. Be open to new ideas, be willing to take risks, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about opportunities, connections, and growth. By networking effectively, you're not just building your wealth, you're also building your knowledge, your skills, and your influence. So take a moment to reflect. Who are the people in your network? Are they helping you grow, or are they holding you back? Are you making the most of the opportunities that come your way? Because remember, build your network and you build your net worth. Do you know how to negotiate effectively? Negotiation, my friends, is an art form, and a crucial one at that. It's a skill that can lead to better deals, higher salaries, and ultimately, increased wealth. It's not about being the loudest or the most intimidating in the room. It's about understanding communication and finding a middle ground that benefits everyone involved. Imagine you're at a car dealership. You're eyeing a sleek, shiny model that has your heart racing. But the price tag? Not so much. This is where the art of negotiation comes into play. It's about presenting your case, showing the dealer why they should lower the price, and reaching a compromise that leaves both parties satisfied. And it's not just for big-ticket items like cars or houses. Negotiation plays a role in our everyday lives. Maybe you're at a flea market bargaining for a vintage lamp, or maybe you're negotiating your salary with your boss. The principles remain the same. Now let's talk about how we can master this art form. First and foremost, do your homework. Knowledge is power in negotiations. Understand the market, know the value of what you're negotiating for, and be aware of your own limits. Secondly, don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Remember, the worst they can say is no. But if you've done your homework and presented your case effectively, you might just get a yes instead. Thirdly, listen. Yes, you heard it right. Listen. Negotiation is a two-way street. Understand the other party's needs and wants. This will help you find common ground and reach a win-win situation. Lastly, be patient. Negotiation is not about winning or losing. It's about finding a solution that works for everyone. And sometimes that takes time. Master the art of negotiation, and you master the game of wealth. Do you believe in luck? Now that's a question that's been asked time and time again. When it comes to wealth accumulation, some people might say, yes, absolutely, luck plays a massive part. While others might argue, no, it's all about hard work and smart decisions. Let's think about it for a moment. Can we really attribute someone's wealth to just a stroke of luck? Or is there more to it than meets the eye? Consider the story of the person who wins the lottery and becomes an overnight millionaire. Sure, it's tempting to say, well, they just got lucky. But let's dig a little deeper. What if they had been buying lottery tickets every week for the past 10 years? Was it luck or was it persistence? And what about the entrepreneur who lands a $1 million deal? Is that luck or is it the culmination of years of hard work, networking, and honing their negotiation skills? Here's the thing. Luck, in its purest form, is utterly random and out of our control. It's like a lightning strike. You can't predict it, and you certainly can't rely on it. So if you're banking on luck to get rich, you might be waiting a long time. But let's not dismiss luck entirely. Sometimes luck can give us a nudge in the right direction. It can open doors and present opportunities that we might not have had otherwise, but it's what we do with those opportunities that truly matters. In other words, luck can set the stage, but it's our actions that determine the outcome. It's the hard work we put in, the smart decisions we make, and the skills we acquire that truly make the difference. So yes, luck can play a part in wealth accumulation, but it's not the be-all and end-all. It's just one piece of the puzzle. And remember, even the luckiest person in the world can't sustain their wealth without hard work and smart decisions. Work hard, make smart decisions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get lucky. So how can you get rich quickly? Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, and it's time to summarize the key points that will help you on your journey to wealth. First, we debunked the myth of overnight success. True wealth is seldom achieved in a day. It takes time, effort, and persistence. It's about the long game, not the quick win. Next, we delved into the power of saving and investing. Your money needs to work as hard as you do. By putting your money into savings and investments, you're setting the stage for your future wealth. It's about making smart financial decisions now that will pay off in the future. We also discussed the importance of multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income sources to create a safety net and to increase your earning potential. Education and skill development are also fundamental. The more you know, the more you can earn. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills. Enhance your knowledge. It will open doors to new opportunities and higher earning potential. Networking is another crucial element. The people you know can open doors and opportunities that you might not have access to otherwise. Build relationships. Connect with people. It can make a world of difference. We learned about the art of negotiation too. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Negotiate your salary. Negotiate your deals. It's about knowing your worth and not settling for less. Lastly, we talked about the role of luck. While you can't control luck, you can put yourself in a position to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. Be prepared. Be ready. You never know when luck will knock on your door. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today, and you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.